Hey guys, Ben Swinton here, Swinton Plays, and you guys don't normally see videos like this, but look what we got here. On my birthday we have the PlayStation 5, and it is the disc edition. We also have a little extra controller down here, so you know, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And for the TikTok edition, make sure to follow and like. Let's get into it then. Let's open up this one. Nice little snip. Oh, got a box inside of a box. It's a horrible sound. That's another horrible sound. And in hindsight, that was probably a bad way of opening the box. Let's lift this little box out of it first before we try and open it. Didn't know it come with a box instead of a box. Who decides the packaging for these things? Oh, there we go. Oh, look, a receipt inside of it. And I just slightly clawed the box, but it's okay. There we go. Right. This is where all the good stuff's inside of. They never packaged it like this before. The PlayStation 3 and the PlayStation 4 literally just came in their box and maybe some cardboard in it. It wasn't this 4 boxes inside of it. How do I get this out? Alright, okay. Oh, you're not meant to just get it out. Alright, okay, what do we have? Got standard manual. No. Just throw it to the side somewhere, don't matter. What else we got? Safety guide, what else we got in here? Ooh, what's this? What is this? Wait, what is this? What the hell is this? What in the hell is this? I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. I'm not going to throw that one because I assume it's on. HDMI cable, necessary. What else we got? We have, I assume this is the power lead. So it's not like the PlayStation 4 Pro with that big kettle lead. They've reduced the power on this one. So it doesn't take as much power, but still doesn't really impact the performance, obviously. No point in getting a new console if the performance is crappy than the original one that you already had. And here, ladies and gentlemen, if I can get it out of its packaging, is the beautiful DualSense 1. Not DualShock anymore. There's not much shock. It's all about the sense. Buttons are kind of like see-through, laminated. Got a nice feel to it. Feels quite nice. The share button, options button still there. I think that's a sync button, or so. There's a new button here. There's not. The PlayStation Home button. I never noticed this before. Is the actual PlayStation sign. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. It's very interesting. That's new. We got so much packaging here. I don't know what to do with it. I'm just gonna throw it aside again. Alright. Lift this top off, and inside is the behemoth herself. Alright, if we can just. Oh my gosh. I don't think I can do this with one hand. I'm not gonna lie. I might have to tip it upside down. Don't do this at home, because if you break the PlayStation, you will cry. Okay, how the hell do I get this out? This might take a while. It maybe cut from the video. Come on. My God, you're in there good, aren't you? The box is quite strong, able to hold the weight of the PlayStation on it. Let's throw that off. And like a newborn baby, we cradle her and take her out of her womb. And there she is. Oh. With the beautiful PlayStation sign right there. Alright, let's chuck this box out of there. Take her back a bit so you guys can see properly. We'll bring the pad into this picture. We'll just leave the wires out of it. Actually, right, sit down a bit. Bring everything closer so you can see what we've got all together. I have no idea what this piece of equipment is or what it's for. Right. Look at the size of this in comparison to my top half. It is almost, if we put it on my lap, it almost comes up to my chin. This is bigger than a newborn baby. Sometimes. Alright, so what have we got? So we've got ports at the back. We have got two USB, I think they're 3.0. We have got Ethernet. We've got HDMI back here, 1-in-1, and we've got the power. At the front, we've got another USB 3.0, and interestingly, we have USB-C. So that's cool, but I think I'm missing something. Where's the USB-C cable to charge this? Found it. There it is. So yeah, it's USB to USB-C. So now, if you guys are fortunate enough to have USB-C, other tech, then you may have USB-C to USB-C, which will be faster charging and better connection. So when you're playing games like Call of Duty and FIFA, which require you to have if you want the optimum connection to play the optimum way, no button lag or anything like that, you want to play while plugged in. Because transferring over is special Bluetooth. It still is Bluetooth, by the way, the connection between this and this wirelessly. It's just a different type of Bluetooth that's not recognizable to other devices. You want to play for the USB-C port rather than the USB 3.0 port because of the better connection, which means even if you have bad internet, it might negate the lag. Alright, let's open up the sister pad. You guys can see what comes in there. Oh, okay, we're not using scissors this time. This one's a literal, use your nails and scrape it off while damaging the box and your nails in the process. If you're a girl, I recommend not using fake nails because it will come off. Or if you're a guy and you have fake nails, still come off either way. Oh my goodness me. I feel like ripping the box. I'm not gonna lie. What the hell? I've never seen one stuck down this well before. Right, there we go. Bloody hell. Alright. Piece of shit. Okay. What do we have? I mean, we have another box inside of a box. What is with them putting boxes inside of boxes? I don't understand it. Is this a new trend or some new fascination? Right, here we go. So again, comes with, an instruction manual standard. I'll put that back in, we'll throw that one to the side this time. Wait a second, are you joking? I mean, I get it, but I don't get it. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. It doesn't come with a cable. So this USB-C, USB 3 to USB-C that charges this pad comes with the PlayStation. But it doesn't come with the standalone pad. There's no difference between the pad besides this one, for some reason, to me, feels heavier. But this is probably me. Same design, everything's still the same, still nice finish. No nicks or anything on it, beautiful. But everything it doesn't come with a cable. I mean, I've got USB-C cables, luckily, thanks to me having a switch. But if I didn't, then I can only charge one pad at a time. What? Am I inside the box somewhere? Empty. I don't believe it. What the hell? Right, well, this is everything that comes with the PlayStation if you get another extra pad, obviously, because the extra pad's in the video. So, I've got two pads. The behemoth herself, power Lebo, HDMI cable, Lebo, I said just then, cable, and USB-C cable, and Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. This is the stand. If you want the PlayStation to lay it on its side, then this is the stand. I don't know how it works. I think you literally just hook it onto the side and if you just place it on my lap just in case it scratches on the table or something, dirt on the table in my room, my PlayStation. If you just play it on its side, like this, this is the stand that would hold the PlayStation on her side. For me, she will be standing up, so this is on. She'll be standing up in my room looking like a massive router. But unfortunately, she doesn't have her own internet. It'd be very good if it did. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you guys have got the PlayStation and you've got it all set up, tell me how you're finding it. I'm gonna get this bad boy set up and hopefully we will do another video on her very soon. And we'll actually start recording game videos. Game videos on her as well. Looking to record Assassin's Creed Valhalla. FIFA will hopefully be recorded on this from now on. In fact, a FIFA video today, potentially, that comes out this weekend, maybe recorded on this. Hopefully this video can get out for Saturday, Sunday kind of thing. And yeah, for you guys on TikTok, if you guys do get to see this, make sure to like and follow. And hopefully more videos on this one in the future. So, until next time guys, peace.